While everyone talking about starting AI automation agency, the smartest entrepreneurs quietly building AI transformation partner business. And here's the crazy part. You don't need to be a tech genius to start it. In this video, I will break down what is exactly AI transformation partner business is, how it going to help businesses, and why it going to explode in 2025. And most importantly, I will give you a complete master plan to do it from scratch, even if you don't build an AI agent before. This is a massive opportunity for 2025. And if you don't know who I am, so I am Shubham, founder of Arise Transform, and for the past 11 months I built over 50 plus AI agents, and today I will break down what is exactly AI transformation partner business and why it dominates in 2025. So let's dive in today's video. So first of all, what is AI transformation business model is? So I will explain you in simple words. In today's world, every business owner know they need AI, but they don't know how to start it, how to implement AI in their business. So as we are an AI transformation partner, you become their personal AI guide, not just another implementer. While you also implement AI solution in their business, but also guide them what is AI, how it going to help your business, and everything about education and consulting. So our target is not just implement AI tools in their business, but also transform their business with AI. And this is a massive value service in today's world related to AI, and massive demand as well, because businesses desperately need that AI solution. So now you know what is AI transformation partner business. Now we deep dive in this 4-step process where you can start this type of solution. This is our 4-step process formula, and you can give it for a 4-week AI audit and charge like $10,000 for it. Our first problem is problem discovery. In that section, we take meetings with the founders and understand what is their business model is, and note down each and every step loopholes in their business. This is our first week priority. Secondly, we find high ROI solution. Now let's talk about our second step, which is finding high ROI solution, where we find the highest ROI given solution for their business. We categorize all their problems and loopholes in their business where they waste most of the time, and find the most ROI given 2 to 3 solutions for their business that can transform their business. This is our categorized solution. We just want to find what is easy to make and give high ROI to their business. Now we find the highest ROI solution. This is our second week priority. Now let's go into the third week, which is no code implementation. Here you can learn what is N10 or this type of solution where we don't need coding experience like that, or you can simply hire someone to do this no code implementation. You can find that in Fiverr, Upwork, and any other freelance software, and you also hire them full time. But for the starting, I don't recommend to hire anyone, just work on project base. And if you are curious and you want to know how that AI agents make, so you can simply learn N10, make.com, Wappy, and etc. You can learn this from YouTube and also buy any course. I will recommend you the Nick YouTube channel where you can learn N10 in very deep. Also you can learn Wappy. This is the software where you can make calling agent. You can simply search on YouTube Wappy tutorials and you can learn it. And now after that we go to our fourth solution, which is ongoing support. How that solutions are going to implement in their business within 90 days and transform their business. Also we are going to guide them in each and every step. After looking that whole solution, you are thinking about this is very complicated, but trust me, but when you complete your 3 to 4 successful client deliveries, then you think like this is very easy. Now it's look like hard. That's the whole process of AI transformation partner business, and you can deliver massive value. That's why you can charge premium prices like 10k, 20k, 30k for this type of solutions. Now we are talking about why it's going to explode in 2025, because there are the two massive reasons: the education gap and the consulting gap. We are talking about each section in details now. First, the education gap, where the most businesses are confused by AI options. They don't know how to implement it in their business. They know AI have massive potential, but they are hungry to someone who guide them in that process. Here's our job is educate them, also implement the AI solution in their business. They have many confusions like information overload, technical confusion, and they want clarity in their business. This is our first priority. And secondly, the consulting gap, where the big consulting firms like Infosys and McKinsey, they just focus on Fortune 500 companies or big companies like thousands of employees, and they charge 100k to 500k per project for that. But what about the small to medium sized businesses? They are like 99% in US, who are small to mid sized companies, where you can sell 5,000 to 30,000 per project for that type of solution, because that have massive market size. So our focus in AI transformation partner business is this small to medium sized businesses, especially small businesses for start. Now you know about why this business will explode in 2025. So next we are talking about your step-by-step action plan, how you can start from zero to become hero in that space, even if you have never built an AI agent before. Let's break down our master plan in simple step and actionable step. First is master the basics, second business application, third get first client, and working for free. This fourth section I want to explain in detail, so make sure you watch this, because here's most businesses fail in that section. So now talk about each section in detail. First, master the basics. You want to learn about AI automation and AI agents foundation. You can simply go to N10, where you can learn about that stuff, because nowadays N10 is the most powerful software to build AI agents without any coding experience. And the game changer is this is Claude AI. Now creating AI agents is like seconds of work. You can simply go and check Mark's YouTube channel. He is exploding it through how to make AI agents using Claude in just seconds. You don't need to learn about AI agents, but my recommendation is you want to learn something about N10, because it's help you in the next section, where we consulting businesses and educate them. So now talk about next section, which is understanding business application. When we take meetings with business owner, then we know about real business problems where the companies face every day, and spend their time and money on that. This can be customer support, sales, content creation, lead generation, etc. You want to focus on that solution where they lose their money and time. Our focus on solving problem, not just implementing technology in that section. When you focus on the basics and master the basics of creating AI agents, this gives you massive value in that section, because you know that what section we can automate with AI, and here your practical knowledge makes you a valuable consultant who deliver real ROI. That's help us to high ticket clients, also long term relationship with that client. And now talk about step 3, which is get your first client. Here's the most business owners fail, because they don't know how to get clients in their customer acquisition. And my strategy is just focus on these two ways. I recommend you to read $100 million leads written by Alex Hormozy. This is my mentor also, and I pick up these two sections, which is content creation and cold outreach. Here I share my journey and learnings in that YouTube and build a personal brand. Also you can focus on cold outreach, where you can do emails, Instagram DMs, cold calling, etc. And if you want to do it on steroids, you can also record a custom Loom videos each one and show them what is the solution for how AI can help their business to grow even faster. And my keynote is personalization is everything in today's market, because everyone's automate that process. You can also automate that process with AI agents. You can make a personalized outreach system using N10 or something, but we want to focus on personalization. That's our main priority. Now talk about the most important step, which is start working for free and build your brand. Many people fail on that, because since we are just starting, we don't have any testimonial. So we want to work for free initially, also for getting experience in that space. This build our portfolio and some case studies related to client, how we provide them solution, and etc. Our focus on provide massive value first and then monetize once you prove you work, because we want to focus on create long-term relationship, not just one off project. This businesses is built on recurring revenue. That's our focus on, and this is exactly what I am building over the next few years. I will be documenting everything, the wins, the failures, the exact strategy that work. If you want to follow this journey and learn alongside me, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification. I will be sharing every step of building this AI transformation partner business. And also drop a comment below with your biggest question about that starting this business. I read and respond every single one, because the AI revolution is happening whether we participate or not. The question is, will you be the one helping businesses navigate it, or will you be the one who left behind? So I don't want that you left behind. And if you want to get started right, check out my previous video where on how to create a $10,000 AI audit. It's the perfect foundation for what we just covered. I will meet you in that video, and then we will deep dive into building AI agent from scratch. So watch that video now.